Optimum router, Wi-Fi connected, but no internet. So a few things you can put in mind if this is happening. So if your router shows that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, but it's not giving you internet or so, you can go ahead and try unplugging the modem and router. So you can do that from the power for about 60 seconds, then plug the modem back in. This is basically just a reset. And if you have any other idea on how to reset your router itself, you can do that. Basically just turning it off and then turning it back on. So other than that, you can check that all the cables like your coax and Ethernet are snug and pretty much plugged in properly. So you can look at the status lights to help you with this. So if it's blinking or if it's off, the outage may be outside your home network. You can also go ahead and fix a monitor or any kind of device and just open up the My Optimum app on your phone. You can go ahead and install this if you don't really have this, but within the app, you can run a Wi-Fi speed test. If that's available for you, you can see what devices are connected. And if you're having a problem with that, you can go ahead and disconnect the devices that aren't currently on use, because the more devices that is connected to the internet, the slower the internet goes, of course, since it's getting divided to multiple devices. So you can restart your gateway as well. You can do this remotely. You can update your Wi-Fi name or password and get troubleshooting suggestions. It can also show service alerts or outages in your area, so go ahead and check for that. But if the internet still isn't working after using the app tools or rebooting your routers, you can try plugging a device directly into the modem with an Ethernet cable to confirm whether the issue is Wi-Fi or just an internet signal. So if you're still lagging even with the Ethernet cable, you can go ahead and try contacting support itself, and also go ahead and tell them the stuff you've already did so that they don't just repeat the same stuff to you. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your Optimum Wi-Fi is connected but there isn't really internet. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.